guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to Real.
Yeah, leaves.
It's real.
Leaves.
Thanks for the comments. Thanks for the likes. We really appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for your effort. Thanks for your concern.
Thank you.
We love you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you once again.
Yeah, and you're always your host. I'm Easy by name, and here is
Kenny.
Today on Real Leaves. Let's start this with Kenny.
Okay.
Let's discuss something about partner's hobby. I think partner's habit. Should I call it? It's not a bad habit, no. It's not a bad habit. Well, I think because what brought this into my mind was that a friend of mine told me something about his partner.
Okay.
You know, as a single man now, I'm always single. So I actually I went up to him to ask him some things about ladies, you know.
All right.
I don't want to be strange in all this game after I got a new lady, you know.
It's
so
normal.
The guy was now telling me something like he has dated like 2-3 ladies.
Okay.
So I was now asking, what's the cause of breaking up with the first lady, moving to the second one and to the third one? So he was now sharing with me some kind of, you know, complaining the lady, she I don't even know how to put it. Like the lady, she's snoring. Like she has no table manner. She's the kind of person that don't talk like that. Like, and I was like, talking and snoring. Yes, snoring, and that shouldn't be the cause of breaking up with her.
Really?
Okay, he now told me, like, after the first lady.
Okay.
The next lady he engaged with. So the lady asked same thing, like, you know, and
snoring.
And the snoring was
persistent.
It was somehow different, you know. The first lady is using a kind of he said treble.
The ringtone.
Yes, like so when the other lady, the second lady, was like soprano. Like, why sleepy? So see, the girl was like, he felt so irritated. Like,
okay,
how will the lady be snoring? I was not asking him, but you confess to love the lady.
Okay.
So you confess to love them. So why can't you adhere with all these things? Kenny, what do you think?
To me, I cannot be a guy and you will be snoring. Now my lady will be snoring. As for me, a lady, my guy cannot be snoring. Kilo fe fi pon. I cannot take that.
Are you saying if
I cannot take that?
You as a girl, as a lady, can never date a guy snoring?
I don't like it.
How will you know? How will you know?
I will pay you a visit now. I will come to your house. Of course, I cannot be dating someone without paying him a visit.
In the first week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Not
what
the
if you
first
guys
week.
are not staying in the same environment?
I will travel down to where he is. That is it. Yes, I will travel down to where he is.
Maybe he has some bad habit like that.
That is why we caught. Do you understand now? That is why we caught. And as for me, I will actually visit you so that I can know some things. The way you relate with people, probably you are pretending. That is it. But so snoring, I don't like it. You will not sleep. Exactly.
Snoring shouldn't be a cause of leaving a guy.
You see some guys.
And I think there's a way of making correction.
You see some guys snoring. It's not that you making a correction. That is why I cannot date a fat guy. I don't.
Really?
I cannot.
Fat guys are full of.
Of course, now they will snore no matter what. They will snore.
Thank God I'm not fat.
That is why I cannot just date a fat guy. That is it. But snoring, it's not good. Okay. I don't like it.
What about all those ladies that love to talk a lot, persistent talking?
Guys talk a lot too.
But you know, it's commonly found in ladies.
Okay.
Ladies can talk from the first generation to the last episode of the generation.
That is normal.
But I think it's not a bad thing. You know, it's a normal thing to have a long conversation with your lady.
Okay.
You know, to make it to spice something up.
Okay.
You know, it's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Persistent talk I don't like.
So,
how will you be talking and talking?
Should that be a criteria for you to before dating a guy?
Of course. Let me just tell you something.
Okay.
Like, hello, guy. Hello, beautiful. And this. Instead of you to just go straight to the point, you are now beating around the bush. I hate it. That is one of the persistent talk we're actually talking about.
But you know, this persistent talking we're talking about.
Okay.
Are commonly like, some ladies actually like it.
And let me tell you something.
No, for you.
Even in the Bible.
Okay.
If you read your Bible very, very well, I think Genesis 2 or Genesis 3, that is where serpent. Hello, lady. These fruits, you cannot. Why are you not eating it? It was like, Jesus, God, He said we should not eat it. Like, if we eat it, all this. Satan made like, I think 6 words. And the woman replied like 20 with 22 words. 22 words, I think.
I think that's for ladies.
That is for ladies. That is normal for ladies. But a girl cannot be.
So with the story
talking
with the story you just shared now.
Of course, it's normal for ladies to be.
And it's not good for ladies. No, it has happened in the first end. Ladies has probably left us to Satan.
All right.
Through the persistent talking. So it's actually advisable for all ladies to to have a kind of short words. Short words.
Ladies, I will express myself, but for a girl to be talking,
you know,
it's not normal.
I know, you know. If you actually want to win a kind of soul,
okay,
you just have to express yourself.
Win a soul?
Yes.
In the Christendom.
Forget about even in the Christendom.
You want to ask out
as a Jehovah's Witness. As a Jehovah's Witness, you just have to. As a Jehovah's Witness now, you just have to use something to convince me.
Okay.
And
like my dad is the owner of.
Not like that actually. Not like that actually. Some jovial words like. And two partners sitting together.
Okay.
If a lady is not actually throwing down a kind of talking stuff, as a guy you just have to spice it up. And though guys are always busy, but at the same time, you just have to do something. And I think that's normal. That's
it's normal to talk, but persistent talk I don't like. How will you be talking? I will not date you.
So
I
now,
cannot date such
so
person.
are you saying if you are in a relationship of like 2 weeks before you visit the guy, and maybe probably within the 3rd week of your coming together, you went to the guy's place, you go to the guy's place rather, and you observe some kind of partner's habit,
right? Okay.
So are you saying you are going to leave the guy for?
Honestly speaking, I will not just tell you that. I will just tell you, oh guy,
my God,
I want to pay you a visit. You understand now? I want to pay you a visit today or probably tomorrow. I'm telling you, I will not fall in love to that extent. I must know you deeply. Really? That is it. Until I visit you, then I'm in love.
Wow.
You cannot pretend that I don't want to snore today. I don't want to do this today. You cannot pretend now. That one you cannot just say, I want to do away with. Let me just check in Shakara today. No snoring. No. You will snore because you don't know what you're doing again.
Yes. You're already asleep.
That is it now. You cannot snore. If you are snoring, I cannot date you. Me le fell. That is it.
So like I don't even know what to do again now. Like seriously.
That is it
you know
now.
that there are some ladies that has a kind of, not ladies only, guys to do it. You know, they are while eating. So I don't even know the word, a proper word to use for it. Like you already call it like kwasha kwasha.
Jeez.
Like seriously, it's just to be like.
Jeez. How?
What are the ladies when they are eating chewing gum? When they are chewing gums? Oh God.
Are you saying ladies don't have eating manner?
No, actually, I'm not saying all ladies. And guys,
how will you be eating
guys
and I will date you?
That shouldn't be a kind of criteria though.
Okay.
It shouldn't be a criteria for you eating a guy. It might probably change at the long run.
All right.
Yes, eating mouth kwasha kwasha.
Although that one can be, it can be corrected.
Yes, it can be corrected.
Guy, I don't like this. But as a normal person, you can't just be eating be beating drum.
You know now.
Your mouth will be beating drum.
It's not intentionally.
It's not
intentional.
Is it? Or are you telling me the food is delicious, it's palatable, and that's why you are?
Maybe yes.
Yes,
maybe
it's
yes.
irritating.
It's not intentional. How will you intentionally be eating mouth like?
not good.
It's not intentional now.
No,
you can just...
Let me tell you something. Some guys will be eating in the sitting room and you'll be hearing in the bedroom. Like,
Jesus.
it's
You
not
just have to
good.
walk up to him.
Of course, you can change that. You can correct that.
Yes.
But I don't like it.
So with that, you can't date the guy.
I can't.
Oh God. Okay, fine.
Can't.
I think the only thing I think as criteria for me now, for me personally, is that I don't think I can date a girl that loves to greet everywhere. Like we going out together and you see this. How are you? If you never,
how much I greet? How much I greet an elderly person?
It's not.
How much I greet my fans?
Not only elderly person.
How much I greet my loved ones? They love me and I will love them in return.
But not like how are you? What's up? You see the word? How are you? What's up?
Hi guys. Hello.
You can't date. Like seriously, you can't date. Because you know, I love to concentrate on the things I'm doing that present moment.
Like,
so I don't love distractions.
Like let us pray. You just
yes.
It's not good.
On the norms.
It's not good.
That's what I like.
It's not good. No.
Seriously.
I'll greet now.
Greet.
Why
like,
won't I greet?
This,
don't you
greet
know that
that,
if you don't greet, people will just term it as spirit of pride is in you, that you are so proud. They would feel like that now. Are you telling me that you not greeting is a self-esteem or what?
No, not really. But you know, it's actually normal for you to just be yourself, like.
Just be going like water.
It's not going like
flowing water.
No, I don't mean it that way. It's not going like water. But you know.
Okay.
You can just. There's a way of greeting people and.
Like.
That won't distract
like
you.
this, just.
Hi, what's up?
Yeah. Then they will say, you know now, like people will tell me to be.
You know those white men.
Just going like a flowing river, like this.
And you know, once I'm with my phone, I think. Once I'm with my phone,
then you'll be greeting your phone. If you cannot greet, then you cannot ask out now. How will you ask me out?
The thing is, I can't take it with a lady.
Okay.
We are going out together and you greet this, you greet that. Please
you
wait for me. How are you? What's up? We move a little bit. Please wait for me. But till when?
It's normal now.
Till when?
It's good now. It's good.
I don't think I can take this.
Oh, really?
Seriously, we can't date. We can't even date.
And that is why I cannot date somebody that's not.
No, the snoring stuff, you can actually correct it.
A persistent talk person, a persistent talker.
You know, when you said you are in love, you should be able to take everything.
Really?
Yes. You know, you didn't place that as criteria for him in the first place when he walked up to you.
I know.
So you now discovering he snores.
Okay.
Doesn't mean you should break up with him or.
You see, everything is.
What if it is God say?
God
says.
God says.
Yes. What if he's your man from heaven?
See, God knows that I cannot just go with somebody that's not.
Yes.
God actually handle.
God knows.
You know who I can handle.
Yes, I know.
You understand now?
I just put that fact.
Exactly.
But the thing is, it might actually put some things to you for you to, you to maybe to.
As for me, few hours, I cannot date somebody who's small.
Okay,
let me tell you.
Okay.
Somebody that belch.
Oh my God.
It's irritating.
Belching.
Everybody belches. Okay. But there's a way.
With sense, right?
Exactly. There's a way you belch.
But you know, it's not intentional. No,
but
it's not intentional.
You want to vomit?
No, seriously, God. It's not intentional.
It's nonsense.
Some
guys do that a lot.
There's the way you collect in love now. Yes.
Even in the public, you go for a dinner party. Guy,
yeah, good. No, that means you know.
No.
When you belch. Sorry, baby.
People will just all lies will be on him. All lies will just be on him.
And you tell them. You ask them. Which of them doesn't belch?
Everybody belch.
So
after eating, you belch.
Then it's by mistake. It happened by mistake, not intentional.
You want to belch? You won't know you want to belch.
No, now you must probably be taking like trying to control it in a way.
Definitely, the person wants to vomit now.
Oh gosh. So the belching, the snoring, the persistent talking.
Some guys, let me tell you, some guys even at the my boyfriend, my girlfriend. Even if they kiss, they will belch.
Oh, Kenny will not kill me here today.
Oh.
Like, seriously?
They were like,
oh.
Hey babe, I'm sorry. Ah.
You know it's not intentional.
You want to
like,
vomit?
It's not intentional.
It's not good. It's not good. I don't like it.
Okay.
You bet, you snore, persistent talk. Oh,
greeting here and there.
But
can we do without having any of this?
Of course. But
without having any of this?
No, I'm not saying that. But there are some things that you can just, do away with. This snoring. That is why I don't go for a fat person. There's tendency of them snoring.
Okay, what
they
if
will snore.
You are now dating you are dating a slim guy, the slimmest guy in the world.
That guy cannot snore.
And he belch.
Even if belch.
Like seriously, I don't really get this. Like
if you do any of those points, we just.
I think you just have to consult God to manipulate a kind of guy for you.
Those things we just discussed now.
To manipulate a guy for you. Like seriously, just have to.
Because if you bet, red card straight.
Red card straight.
That is it. I mean my words.
No. You need to consult God for him to manipulate a
God
guy
cannot
for
even
you.
give me somebody that belch now. Somebody that snore.
What if he gives you one? Like that has one of these.
God, I beg you. Never give me that.
You have no choice, my sister. But
really?
to me, I think the only thing I don't think I had with is you telling me to wait. You greet this one, you greet that one.
It's normal. It's normal to be greeting
I can't
now.
do with it, my sister. So you just have to keep me waiting and.
It's not you keep it. Why will I keep you waiting? It's just within 2 seconds.
That's disrespect.
Hi.
Hello. Is somebody disrespectful?
That's it.
Yes. As if you are disrespectful.
Even celebrities, even if people did not see them, if they did not see the people will see them. They will just want to.
And they hide them.
Now.
Hi.
Some people is like, let me snap with you. Oh, what for? Like see my babe.
But if your partner, like audience watching this particular show,
okay.
If your partner snores, if he belch, if he has any of this listed habits,
okay.
That's not a reason for you.
That is it.
If
you do any of those
okay, are you trying to advise?
Don't come to me.
And you don't come to you.
Come to me.
Good. But you know, at the early stage, you might not discover this.
That
easily.
is why I don't fall in love with you.
Wow.
Exactly.
Wow.
That is me.
Wow. But to me, you know, I'm single and I just have to.
Until I visit you, and I know some things about you, then we are going to.
Oh my God. That's I can't date Kenny, and I'm looking for his spouse.
Because you snore now.
I don't snore.
You belch.
I don't belch.
You have this persistent talk.
I do talk. I know. Like that's normal.
No.
You said it's normal.
Oh, persistent talk.
Yeah, it's normal now.
Greeting is normal. Persistent talk is not normal. Greeting is normal. Persistent talk is not normal. Persistent talk. You see some guys, if you discuss something yesterday, today you still discuss same thing.
Actually, you're about to say something. It's but at the same time, you just have to spice some things up, raise the issues and probably people can gain some things from what you're saying.
Do you know that some partners, they lay much emphasis on something? If I say much emphasis, it's not good. Like one can sorrow.
Maybe the partner, the other party, do not listen to not adhere with what you say.
Even at that,
easily.
Yoruba will say just talk, and that's all.
Please. I'm single and I think this is the right time for me to venture into it.
You cannot snore. Call
I just know.
Do you want to ask for some? Probably you miss your road to where you are going. That is why you come. If I visit, until I visit, you will not fall in love. If I don't visit you, no love can come.
Audience, your partner just snores, he belch, he has persistent
talk.
Please, just drop a comment.
She greets.
Drop a comment.
Just drop it.
Drop a comment and say something that you feel about this particular stuff.
Okay.
This particular habit. I don't think it's actually bad.
It
like
is.
All the habits, I don't think they are actually bad.
It is.
But if you actually feel they are bad habits, you can actually try and drop a comment. Yes.
Okay.
Jan, I think we should drop the curtain here for today.
All right.
We'll be waiting for your comments, right?
Thanks.
Then make sure you subscribe. Tell somebody about this particular show.
Real Ribs.
Real Ribs.
Oh.
Real Ribs. We love you so much.